Hello, this module is to guide you two things: how to read the file and how to do it iteratively. We need to first create a file. Bring one of the articles here, the Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2019, and they are talking about lithium-ion batteries. So I'm going to grab some of this and then I'm going to save it here. So it is saved. And I'm going to save it, Control S, and the desktop, and I'm going to put this in all, and then Nobel 19 chem dot data. So that is there, and I'm going to read it. What we can do is we need to first say my file because we need to use open statements. What open statements takes is the data and whether we want to read, write, or append or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to read it. The file in this case, then we need to go to the desktop here in Windows browser. Then here's the data, right? I think it should be okay. It should go to the fully qualified. The path is this desktop. So I am going to copy it. Okay. The file name is this. So I'm going to put here double backslash and then data. What I need to do is that I'm going to make double backslash. This is funny, but this is what the Windows system can do. So I have my file that is open. Then I need to read it, right? But by the way, this file has multiple lines in it. We need to say for line in my file. And then I'm going to do print line. And I'm going to do Control S for save and desktop. And I'm going to here read loop file reading. Okay, execute it. Control Enter. See, it is written in a way it is saved, right? Okay. The same way, if we want to do this, not if we want to save it in a list, okay, then you need to do line split. Line split can what line split can do is that it can make a word as an element in a list. Okay, so we can do split and print, and then they can be in. I think it is because it's not rewind, right? It is still at the end of that. So what I can do is I'm going to do this in a list, as you can see here, everything in a list. This is one empty line, so that is a list. So all the word in a list can be in all the word in a line can be in a list. So I would have a multiple list, right? So this is a list. So lithium ion batteries have resolution and things like that. So basically, this is what you can do. You can read it as a text, or you can read it and put it in a list. From there, you can cook like list manipulation. All right. I hope you can do.